Wagwan, what up morning, evening, noon, night, and Schwarzer and a big up on yourself. The time of day is something the video is something. So I hope each and every one of you are having a great Sunday. If it is Sunday for you, wherever you're located in the world, it's January 19, 2020, and I just want to send out a big congratulations to ROMAIN Virgo and his wife Elizabeth Virgo. Okay, for me, I've always loved ROMAIN Virgo. I considered him reggae culture music. Ever since he popped up on the scene, he has been consistent within that category. You see him, you see love, you feel love, and him just eat and breathe it, you know what I mean? So this is how we announce that they're having their bundle of joy.
Hi, Romain.
He wrote on Instagram, counting all my blessings, name them one by one. So much joy surrounds me, it's second to none. So once again, I just want to send out congratulations to ROMAIN and Elizabeth Virgo on the new addition to their family. Alright, so yeah, that's just want to pop in and do a little congratulation. This is just a video clip from their wedding in 2018. So they're on year 1, heading to year 2, and many more to come. So that completes it for this video. Until next time something. Video something.
Not even the gods above can separate the two.